Here comes the Hall of Famer.
Making her way to the ring from Dallas, Texas, Jaqueline.
You know, Jackie and Terry once formed a group called PMS, Pretty Mean Sisters. Not only was she a trainer at Tough Enough, she actually managed Booker T.
Did you know that Jaqueline was a former WWE Cruiserweight champion? Back in 2004, Jaqueline, one of the toughest individuals to ever step foot in a ring, has competed against men and women.
Ready for some mayhem? Ready for some havoc?
I'm not quite sure, actually.
And her opponent, from Lafayette, Indiana, Ruby Riott.
Ruby Riott's made it her personal mission to make life miserable for everyone born entitled, everyone handed anything. That do-it-yourself ethos has served Ruby Riott incredibly well throughout her career.
Mayhem, havoc. You can feel the electricity running through this arena. This is going to be some battle. One-on-one, mano-a-mano.
Man, this card is just packed with so many great matches, and this one is definitely among the most anticipated, I'd say.
And she's back in the ring now.
What a hurricanrana!
Shoulder tackle. Elbow drop.
Right to the heart. Right to the spine with the knee.
That was vicious. We've certainly seen her withstand worse in the past, though.
You know, she's the kind of competitor that actually likes getting hit. It motivates her. Oh, man. And this might just be what she needs to put her over the top, believe it or not.
It's been quite a back-and-forth battle for these women, guys, and I was willing to bet that's the way it's going to be the rest of the way.
You gotta believe this one's over. What a stomp.
Good grief.
She's licking her chops.
A wise woman would stay down.
Oh, a knee right to the face.
That knee is a lethal weapon.
Incoming. Look out. She misses big time there.
That had to hurt.
To tear the features clean off your face.
You have to wonder how much more she has left in the tank.
She's not looking so good here, guys. She's going to need to find a way to fend off some of this offense, and quickly. Yeah, it's tiring just watching her out there.
And here we go from behind. German suplex.
Woo. This might be it, guys.
Gets the shoulder up before 3.
She's still in this one.
She's calling for it.
Jaqueline has eyes to fill. Oh, awesome! Float over DDT. Game, set, match. This one is over.
Shoulders on the mat. A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build.
Incredible, absolutely incredible.
And she goes down hard.
That'll leave a mark. Each time we broadcast on a Saturday, I can't help but think of the famous 6:05 time slot WCW had for years. That was appointment viewing for generations of fans. Boom!
Beautiful technique.
Oh, what a shot.
Yeah, she doesn't want to take too many more of those.
Elbow drop.
Right to the heart.
Right in the mouth.
Relentless.
Oh, Corey, he unloaded there.
And look at the quickness by Jaqueline.
Neck breaker. Leg drop. Hard landing there.
Nothing to worry about, just a little misstep on her part.
Takes her down.
Wow, nice move right there.
We got a cover. Jaqueline gets the shoulder up.
Just not enough damage done yet, Cole.
She wants to do this in the ring.
Oh man, she's rolling now.
Oh, what impact. A high-risk maneuver in the works from that top turnbuckle. Ruby Riott's feeling it.
Yeah, it's tiring just watching her out there.
When you see Ruby Riott, you know that Sarah Logan and Liv Morgan are close by, just waiting to strike. And that is something that every competitor in the women's division must combat against.
I don't like what you're insinuating, Cole.
She goes for the cover. Jaqueline gets the shoulder up.
Well, Jaqueline has experience in martial arts and kickboxing, so she knows her way around the ring.
And there's the reversal from Jaqueline.
She might have it.
Oh, awesome! Foot over DDT! This one's over, guys!
I'd like to elaborate on my point about Ruby Riott's expertise in playing the numbers game, gentlemen. The result is the Riott squad is running roughshod over the entire women's... She goes for the cover. 1, 2. Oh, somehow! Wow.
When she gets in attack mode, look out!
This match has been 100 miles per hour since the opening bell.
Harsh impact.
She goes for the cover.
And Jaqueline pops the shoulder up.
Gonna take more than that.
You gotta believe this one's over. Oh, what impact. This might be it.
Oh, my.
She's turning the tables.
Ain't turned yet. Still got some work to do. What does Jaqueline have to do to regain her composure?
I can tell you this is not how she envisioned this match going, guys.
It looks to me, guys, like she may have underestimated her opponent here tonight, and now she's paying for it.
This superstar is dangerous both inside and outside the ring. Oh, can she end it here? Too close for comfort.
Somehow she's still in this matchup. It's unbelievable.
Boom. A leg drop. She goes down hard.
She's going to be feeling that one for a while.
You can see the confidence just beaming from her right now.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Stop pulling a leg snap.
That's going to hurt. Tear your hamstring.
And she turns it around on her. Incoming.
Ooh, right to the face.
Well, that's one way to surprise an opponent. Slammed with authority. Oh my goodness, crushing it. Dominating shoulder tackle.
Oh, nasty impact. Attack to the midsection.
Tough spot to be in right now for Jaqueline. If she's not careful, she's going to end up losing this match.
I would never question her toughness, but at this point, I just don't see how she can win this match. She's simply taken too much offense.
That's it. That's what she needed. Let's go back and take another look. Great move by her right there. She goes for the cover. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Takes it! Well, this is one matchup that lived up to its billing and then some.
I just love it when the women put on a show like that one. You can see right here the moments that made this match a great one. I just love it when the women put on a show like that one. You can see right here the moments that made this match a great one.
Here is your winner,
Big win here, guys!
It's wins like that that makes this girl such a force to be reckoned with here in the WWE. Matches like that are the reason why I love this job so much.